Hello, my name is Emeka with SkyCiv, and today I'm going to be doing a scaffolding structural design tutorial using our structural 3D model as well as our scaffolding design calculator. The calculator is currently available for European, Australian, and US standards. So today I'm going to be using the US calculator to do my calculations, but I'm also going to show you how you can select the Australian, New Zealand, or the European calculator if you want to. We'll also be going over how to select the right compatible sections and materials, how to analyze your design, how to finally select the calculator and then run the analysis. And lastly, how to print your reports or your summary reports that you would want to put together in an engineering package. So to start out, I'm going to launch SkyCiv. I'm going to start with a new file. Because I'm going to be using American standards, I'm going to want to set this to imperial. Make sure that y-axis is vertical, hit save. And then I'm going to start by going over here to the pen tool. And yes, I'm just going to drop one here. Let's go up 3 feet here, go over 2, 4, and then last one here. So what I actually want to do is I want to use our copy and paste tool. So what I might actually do is just add some cross bracing here. Then I'm going to want to copy this element and then paste it there. So one other thing I think I might want to have is just a plate to be kind of that diaphragm. So I'm going to have it from nodes 2 to 3, 4 to 6. Apply. Then I'm going to go Command A or Control A, Command or Control C. So let's back out of here. So Command A, Command or Control C. Right now it's selecting 1 as my reference node. I actually want to change that to 2. Right, so now it's selecting 2. I'm going to come here, click on 6, and then hit Command or Control V. We're going to do that again at 12. And then just for good measure, I'm going to do that again here at 16. So now that that's laid out, I'm actually going to want to complete the last couple members here. So I'm going to go here, select this, come down here, 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 there. Okay, and then I'm going to try to do the copy again. I'm going to go Command or Control A, Control C. Now one's the reference node, which is fine. I'm going to click 2 here, paste that, paste again, and then let's just go up one more level for good measure. Okay, now that that's all laid out, I'm going to want to select, I want to put supports here. So that's going to be at 1, 5, 7, 11, looks like 8, 12, 16, 17, 19. We'll just have those as fixed supports for now. We're going to hit apply. This looks like all those are set. Missed 15, so we'll do one at 15. And then just to resist the kind of racking or horizontal forces, I'm going to have some pin connections here along the top. So let's just put one at 35. We'll have one at 49. And we'll have one at 58. There we go. And so this is released currently in the Z direction. I actually want it to be released about the X axis. So I'm going to change this to FFF, RFF. There we go. Okay, then we go back. So now this is kind of set up. I might want to add some loading. So let's say I wanted to add, let's just do a point load. We're going to do one at 42 and 43 going into it. So I'll do one at node 42. I want it to be in the negative Z, so we'll do -1 kip. There we go. And let me do that same one at 53. Cool. And then just for the last bit of weighting, I'm going to add some self-weight. Make sure this is turned on. Again, negative Y direction, which is what we have as the up and down in the vertical axis, which is okay. Apply, go back. And last thing I need to do is just for these plates, I'm just going to auto mesh them. And then now this is done, I should be good to go to solve my model. So I'm going to try it right now. It's saying section 1 is not defined. So now we have to actually go to the sections and define our sections that we're going to use for the scaffolding. So something to keep in mind, like we were mentioning before, there are specific sections that you can use in the scaffolding design calculator. So if you're not choosing a steel, hollow, circular section, it's actually going to fail. And so I'm just going to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go to the section builder. Let's just go from the database. We'll go American Steel. I'm going to go with pipe. We'll go, let's just go with the standard one. So right now this is a hollow section. It's already steel. I want to, so this is how you would choose it successfully, but I just want to show you what would happen if, for instance, I chose aluminum. So we're going to hit submit. Now I have it all modeled. This solves. Now when I want to go to design, I'm going to go start new code, come down here to other design, and we can actually search scaffolding. So here's what I would click if I was trying to do against Australian and New Zealand standards. Here's for the British or European, but we're going to be going here with AISC. So if I select this, it's going to try to run it, right? But I'm getting this error right now because it's not finding any sections that are circular, hollow, as well as steel. So I actually want to go back. We'll update this to the right one now. So all we want to do is switch this back to steel, hit submit, and it should solve successfully now. So we're going to go with that AISC scaffolding. And so now it's loaded that module successfully. And so now when we're here, we can see all the different inputs. We can see, okay, these are all passing, but say one wasn't. We go to that individual member, load up the report, scroll down here, see what it was that's actually causing it to fail, whether it's like the moment capacity, coupler capacity, etc. Here's where you can, choose see your different couplers decisions, as well as you can update them here. It's from like a rigid, right angle, friction, swivel, parallel, etc. And say you didn't like some of your inputs, or you wanted to make some changes, you can always back out here, you can always click here, go back to the actual design phase and update it there. And then lastly, if you want just a summary report of everything, you can always click on here, and this will give you just kind of a summary breakdown. So while these are the individual reports, this will give you that summary breakdown of all the different members put together as one. So all in all, that's how you would go about modeling and testing or designing a scaffolding design using structural 3D, as well as our scaffolding design calculator. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us in support. Thanks and have a great day.